हम अपनी जिंदगी में करते हैं वो उसी बिलीफ सिस्टम हमारा एक गाइडिंग फोर्स होता है कि हम डिसीजंस लेते हैं। और उसकी वजह से कई बार क्योंकि हमने उन बिलीफ सिस्टम्स को चेक किया रिचेक नहीं किया होता है या हमें कुछ चेंजेस लानी है उसमें वो नहीं करते हैं और उसकी वजह से हम कुछ ऐसा सोचते हैं कि उस इमोशन की वजह से हमें यू फील very sad, you feel depressed, and you feel very bad. So acceptance of this emotion, what we call anxiety, we need to accept it first. Second step is that can we do some changes in what the belief systems we follow? Is the belief system right? Because we take the decisions on those belief systems which are just incorporated within us. And third thing what I shared with you is that we need to be mindful. We need to just sit back and think why this thought has come in my mind. What is giving pain to me? और जब हम उस थॉट के बारे में उस इमोशन के बारे में सोचते हैं तो हम अपने दिमाग पे जो बोझ है उसको और इस थॉट को थोड़ा गैप दे देते हैं जिसकी वजह से हम इस थॉट के बारे में सोच पाते हैं एक डिसीजन ले पाते हैं। सो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ इज दैट वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दिस इमोशन एंड देन वी नीड टू बी माइंडफुल एंड just think on that this thought is not going to stay there. We need to analyze that and take a decision accordingly. Because always anxiety is being created when we think about the future and we don't live in the present. So most important बात ऐसा है कि हमें इसके बारे में as a thought सोचना चाहिए. And definitely you will feel that and you will get the answers for this anxiety. ये उसी बादल की तरह है जो हमारे इस ब्लू स्काई हमारी इस जिंदगी में हमारे में आया है, ये छट के चला जाएगा. And when you have confidence in yourself, definitely ये बादल आपकी जिंदगी में ज्यादा देर नहीं रह सकता. So practice mindfulness, practice thoughtfulness, and think it as a thought only, think it as an emotion, and I am sure that you will find out the solutions. दूसरी चीजें जो मैंने देखी है हमारे ऊपर असर करती हैं कि we need to take certain decisions in our life. One is pertaining to anxiety, how to take care of it. We need to take care of the thoughts which are created in our mind and we need to find the solutions for them. And solutions will come from within. Solutions are not going to come from outside. So the mindset, the mindfulness has to be created. When you think on this thought, तो आप जब उसके बारे में सोचेंगे तो definitely you will find it out that ये तो एक बुरा ख्याल था जो मेरे को वैसे ही अंदर से आहत कर रहा था. फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचने के लिए, फ्यूचर के बारे में आप कुछ धुंधलापन देख रहे हैं या पास्ट की जो ट्रॉमा की एक्सपीरियंसेस उसकी वजह से ये एंजाइटी आती है. We need to be very much conscious about certain things, what the nutritions we are taking, what the food values we are taking, how the help we are seeking. Because कई बार हम सोचते हैं हम उसको अंदर ही अंदर घुटते चले जाते हैं इसके बारे में सोच के. So it's better that we discuss this out with our loved ones. I am sure that will bring help to you and you will feel much better. So stay away for anxiety because anxiety दुख ही देगा, anger देगा. So we need to be very much decisive. We need to be very much mindful to take care of this anxiety, and I am sure if you are mindful, this anxiety is going to go away. Do some changes in your belief systems, what you have inherited. Work on your thought. Think anxiety as an emotion think anxiety is a thought. Thoughts are being created by us only. Find a solution for this thought. It's not you, it's this thought which is come in your mind. So we need to dissect this thought. Why this thought has come? What has brought this thought in my mind? Is it making me anxious for the future, or it is connected with the past experiences I have shared? And you will see today, ये तो बस एक सोच है और इसके पास तो मेरे पास समाधान है, और समाधान आप अपने आप को खुद ही दे पाएंगे जब आप ऐसी सोच, ऐसी माइंडफुलनेस रखेंगे. डेफिनेटली द सॉल्यूशंस आर देयर गोइंग टू बी विद यू. सो ये एक समय है जो आता है फिर चला जाता है. आई एम श्योर these anxious moments are going to go when you take decisions yourself with the support of your loved ones. These thoughts are going to go away. But still, if you need help, definitely there are people who are going to support you, and there are companies, there are doctors who are going to support you on this. So I'll be always there to support you, help you on these subjects. Have a great day, enjoy कीजिए और एंजाइटी से दूर रहिए. ये जिंदगी आपकी है, आपको इसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, और आप ही है जो इस सोच से अपने आप को बाहर ला सकते हैं. नमस्कार.